This short video will show you how to operate the main functions on a TAG Heuer Calibre S watch. To set the time, first make sure the watch is in time mode and not chronograph mode. If the hands are all aligned to 0, push the crown in. Once in time mode, pull the crown out. Press the top pusher to set the hours. The second hand will indicate AM by pointing at 45 seconds and PM by pointing at 15 seconds. Press the bottom pusher to advance to the minute setting mode. The second hand will indicate minute setting mode by pointing at 30 seconds. Press the top pusher to set the minutes. Press the bottom pusher to advance to the year setting mode. The second hand will indicate year setting mode by pointing at 55 seconds. Press the top pusher to set the year. The last 2 digits of the year are indicated over the left and right subdials. Press the bottom pusher to advance to the month setting mode. The second hand will indicate month setting mode by pointing at 0 seconds. Press the top pusher to set the month. The 2 digits of the month are indicated over the left and right subdials. Press the bottom pusher to advance to the date setting mode. The second hand will indicate date setting mode by pointing at 5 seconds. Press the top pusher to set the date. The 2 digits of the date are indicated over the left and right subdials. Push the crown in to complete the time setting. For reference, the position of the second hand for each setting mode is indicated on the case back. To use the chronograph, push the crown in. The hands will all align to 0. Press the top pusher to start and stop the chronograph. And the bottom pusher to reset. Pressing the bottom pusher while the chronograph is running will record a split time. Press the bottom pusher again to return to live chronograph time. Push the crown in to return to time mode. If the hands become misaligned, they can be manually adjusted. In time mode, press and hold both the top and bottom pushers to enter hand alignment mode. Press the top pusher to set the hour hand to 0, holding to go faster. Then press the bottom pusher to advance to the next hand. Repeat for the minute hand, second hand, 10th of a second hand, and 100th of a second hand. Push the crown in to complete the alignment. Check the manufacturer's instructions for more advice on your model. Discover more exceptional watches at watchfinder.co.uk. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If there are any other watches you'd like to see reviewed, please let us know in the comments below.